Next is kinds of polynomial. First kind is constant polynomials. Example of constant polynomial are 2, 5, 7, 10, etc. Means a polynomial which has only constant in it is called constant polynomial. In the few minutes before, we have discussed that polynomial is the expression made up by the combination of variables, constant and operators. But in this kind of polynomial we don't see the variables and the operators, but it what will be the degree of the constant polynomial? Degree of the constant polynomial will be 0. How can we say that degree of the constant polynomial is 0? Because we know the fact degree is the power of the variable and we cannot have the variable in the constant polynomial. Then how can we say the degree will be 0? Let's understand this fact. We know exponent which has power 0, the value of the exponent which has power 0 is 1. Any number or any variable, if it has power 0, then the value will be 1. This is the already known fact. Let's see this. I am saying 2 is a constant polynomial. Can I write 2 is equal to 2 multiplication 1? Yes or not? Yes, because multiplication with 1 doesn't affect the result. So I can write 2 as 2 multiplication 1, and in place of 1 I can put x की power 0 because value of x की power 0 is 1. So I can use this relation 2 into, in place of 1 I can write x की power 0. So the 2 will be equal to 2 into x की power 0. Here now we have complete expression. In this we have constant, variable and the power of variable. 2 is the constant polynomial which is equal to 2 into x की power 0 and the power of the variable is 0. So the degree of the constant polynomial is 0, and in the definition of the polynomial we discussed the polynomial is the expression made up by combination of variable, constant and the operators. So here is all thing exist. This is constant, this is variable, and the relation between them is multiplication. Students, mark this important note. Power of a variable in any term in a polynomial can only be whole numbers. मीन्स किसी भी पोलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल की पावर सिर्फ और सिर्फ होल नंबर ही हो सकता है. अगर किसी भी वेरिएबल की पावर, मतलब किसी भी टर्म में वेरिएबल की पावर होल नंबर नहीं है तो उसे हम पोलिनोमियल नहीं बोलेंगे. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस बाय सम एग्जांपल्स. This is an expression given. Tell me, is it a polynomial? Let's check the powers of variable. Powers of variable in this term is 2, power of variable in this term is -7, and power of the variable in this term is 1. In this term, power is -7, that is not a whole number. It is because -7 is integer, so it cannot be a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because power of the second term is -7, that is a integer. Let's see another example. Is this a polynomial? Yes or no? No, because we can write it as x की power 1/2 plus x, and in this term power of variable means x is 1/2, and 1/2 is not a whole number. 1/2 is a fraction, so it is also not a polynomial. See another example. See, this is an expression given. Tell me, is this a polynomial? Let's check the powers of variable. Power of variable x in this term is 5. Power of variable x in this term is 7. Power of variable in this term is 5. So all the powers are whole numbers. So it will be a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. In this polynomial, we have used two variables x and t. So this polynomial is said polynomial in two variables.